What's going on?
Somebody's been shot.
A chilling confrontation between a murderer and deputies responding to a scene.
I can't fathom going into a yard to cut down a dead tree and have your neighbor come out and shoot you.
Did you guys catch that, him?
Yes. It was the neighbor, right?
Yeah, black shirt, jeans. Yeah. He shot him like 5 times.
That woman's husband was shot to death right in front of her by their neighbor. I go through the tragic case of the death of Ted Block and what happened to the man who killed him. I'm Angenette Levy, and this is Crime Fix. You know, I have to tell you about something. If you owe the IRS more than $25,000 in back taxes, you really need to listen up. Does the thought of your back taxes keep you up at night, wondering if the IRS is about to levy your bank account or garnish your paycheck? That's where the Tax Hardship Center comes in, the #1 tax relief firm in the nation with an A+ rating that's settled hundreds of millions in tax debt for people just like you. Don't call the IRS yourself and poke that bear. The experts at the Tax Hardship Center can find out where you stand without you lifting a finger and lay out a plan to fight for the best possible resolution. You can even start your free, no obligation consultation right from your phone. So if you owe back taxes, go to taxhardshipcenter.com/tax relief now or call 844-696-1311 now and let them show you a way out. Ted Block was a husband and a father. He had a family who absolutely loved him, and his life was tragically and unexpectedly cut short during an argument with his neighbor. Ted Block's murder is absolutely senseless, and the video is so incredibly sad as his wife talks to deputies. It was April 16th, 2024. Deputies in Hamilton County, Ohio, right outside of Cincinnati, got a 911 call about some type of domestic trouble. What they found when they arrived was unbelievable.
There's heavy verbal trouble. Our call taker is trying to get the family member to go.
I think it's next door. What's going on? What's going on?
Somebody's been shot.
Okay. Was it you? Let me see your hands. Your hands. Got him? Yeah. What's your name? Where's the gun at? Where's the gun at, man?
The man the deputies cuff is Cole Hornsby, but as you saw, he's not saying a word. Here's a view of another deputy arriving at the scene around the same time.
Move, you
update. I'm about probably a minute and a half out.
Okay, that sounds like the suspect is still on scene. There's heavy verbal trouble. Our call taker is trying to get CPR has stopped.
That's all right. Davey's just in front of me.
Okay.
Yeah. Got him? Yeah. Sector 32. Set of squad.
Can you repeat?
He's in the squad in. Angenette County West Supervisor.
Okay, seeing Tiger for squad, starting supervisor.
982, I was clear on the traffic response.
982, I'm 87. You can give it a regard, I'll be responding. 987, that's clear. 982, did you copy?
did. If you would send me the details, please.
Clear.
15, unit on the scene, can they advise that the male secured?
Stay. Back.
It's still on males in custody.
Is he breathing?
We're the squad's in
Male
route.
is in custody.
The squad's in route. Is this your
1822,
husband?
we've got a
No,
supervisor
that's my
and
stepdad. Is he
squad
breathing?
Just hang out there for 1 second,
Is he
okay?
breathing?
I'm gonna check him real quick, all right? Just hang out right there, okay? You would have somebody come and talk to her before she run. That's stepdaughter.
The deputy is securing the back of the house where Ted Block's body is laying. His stepdaughter. She's absolutely distraught, as you saw, trying to figure out if Ted can be saved. At the front of the house, the first deputy on scene is taking care of Cole Hornsby, who doesn't say much, but then he gets a little mouthy.
987, that's clear. 982, did you copy?
I did. If you would send me the details, please.
Clear.
Got it? Yep.
15, unit on the scene, can they advise that the male secured? It's still on males in custody.
Officer male is
Over
in
there.
custody. At 1822, we've got a supervisor in route and squad has been advised to respond in.
This is mine right here.
Are you hurt at all? What are you doing, man?
Huh? I'm taking everything you got.
Are you hurt at all? What do you mean?
Get in the car.
Put my belt back on, man.
Yeah, get in the car.
Why are you taking my belt
Because
off?
I'm taking everything you got.
No, you're not.
Sit down.
Jesus Christ, dude. You're not taking everything I got.
They're in the side yard next door. Next one over. Next one over.
Side yard?
Yeah, over here, next door, behind this house.
Hey, hey, go down. Go down. Go down.
Go ahead.
Oh, I'm looking. Right here. Ma'am.
I'm
Ma'am.
fine.
I understand that, but right now they got to work with him, okay?
We're gonna work.
Breathing.
Just come sit with me for a second. Okay?
I just had pulmonary hemorrhage. My kid. I can't breathe.
I know. Come. We're gonna come here and sit down, okay?
Oh my God. Is he breathing? I don't know. They won't listen.
We're gonna stay here, okay?
Did you guys catch that? Him?
Yes. It was the neighbor, right?
Yeah, he had black shirt,
short hair.
jeans. Yeah. He shot him like 5 times. He's. Is my husband breathing? Please, he's doing it now. I can't.
We're gonna keep walking.
I want to be over there.
I know, but right now, you gotta let them work, okay? I'm gonna sit you down over here on the porch, okay? Sit right here, okay? I know. Do me a favor, okay? What you need to do? Just put your hands on top of your head. Put the phone down for a minute.
I can't breathe.
The deputy tries to console Ted Block's wife. Her husband has just been shot, and there's nothing that she can do, but she tells the deputies what happened.
Can you keep her over here?
Yeah, I got you, man.
Hey, Yeager, do me a favor. This is wife here. Can you just make sure she stays over here? Yeah. She's got a breathing problem. She's on oxygen on a portable one right now. I don't need her. Not yet. She just needs to sit down. Okay. Stay there for a minute. Yeager, his wife's right there. Okay. Stay there. I'll get the tape.
Was anybody else out
there. I took off running because he pulled out a gun and started shooting.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Like you're not hit or anything, right?
No.
You guys want to hang out with her for a minute? You probably need to get a statement from her at some point. I'm sure they're going to take her to CIS.
Yes.
Is he coming back too?
No, I'm not sure what the medics are doing. I know that the bad guy's in custody right now, so I'm not sure what the medics are doing.
They're not telling us anything.
Well, they don't know anything yet.
I gotta go over here. Hey, my car's locked and they're trying to talk to me.
Okay, that's
Give me a second. What do you need? Harrison's got tape now. They're going that side at least. Wide as we can go.
wide as we can. You got her contained, I guess?
For now, as best we can. They're starting to tape on over there, so we're good.
How long if we just connected all the way down?
The deputies will come to find out that Cole Hornsby, the man that they took into custody, lives next door to Ted Block and his wife, Chrissy.
And then you gotta go all the way around this garage right here. Because I think that's where he lives.
Okay.
Any Green Township unit at the CDOD Green Township.
Yeah. Should. I don't know how far away he's gonna go.
Did they scoop him and go, or did
Hey, Henry 12, I'll
Huh?
stay there.
Are they still working him?
Yeah. You mind standing here while I walk this and try to get him some more leeway?
Hey, Henry 12, what's your go?
As deputies secure the crime scene, another deputy sits with Ted Block's wife, since she is a witness.
Is that his phone right there, man?
Yeah.
You might just put it on the clipboard till the detectives get here?
Huh?
Just throw it up here till the detectives get here, that way.
It was in the house.
I know. Just in case they want to see it. And they want to ask me if you can have it. Okay?
Huh?
They want to ask me if you can have it. I'll ask you if you can have it, okay?
But I mean, it was in the house. Why?
It might be important for the investigation.
There's nothing in there. He didn't even have it on him. He's never talked about doing everything like on the phone. He's dead. Yeah, our neighbor shot him. Yeah, cool. Don't tell his kids yet. I gotta call his mom.
The scene is controlled chaos. Chrissy Block appears to be in shock as she calls people to let them know that Ted was killed, and family members arrive.
Hey, guys. I think the detectives might want to talk to you guys. They're on their way.
We weren't here at all when it happened. Like, we showed up after.
Who all saw it? Anybody?
Just her. We showed up and she came in and told us to get inside.
Okay, so was this her son, or?
This was her husband. Yeah, I'm from Goshen. We were just bringing her daughter up here, but we're taking her to the mom's right now.
Okay. Do they have all your contact information?
Yeah.
I know. Okay, Robin, I'm getting over here. I'm bringing her to you. Where's your mom?
Are you guys family, or?
I'm hoping.
Okay, and that's your mom? Nobody saw anything for real?
No, genuinely, we showed up and she came running outside and told us to get inside that he had been shot.
Alright. No, I came up after you guys did, so I know I was told to watch you guys and make sure you guys stay here. Just give me a second, okay? Don't go anywhere yet. Let me find out you guys are together, okay?
A short time later, the deputy gets the story from a woman who spoke with Chrissy Block.
Just take your time. Okay? Take your time. One breath at a time right now, okay?
Unknown caller.
Okay.
Not pit bull.
The boxers?
English.
English bulldogs?
Yes, but she said they're not friendly.
Okay.
Except to her, of course. I can't fathom going into a yard to cut down a dead tree and have your neighbor come out and shoot you.
Is that what happened?
She says, I think his name is Mark. Apparently,
So there's this tree right here.
this tree here is in their yard.
Yep.
He was going out to cut it down because you can see it's dead.
Yep.
And the guy came out, and I guess in the past, he's tried to hit her with a bow and arrow. Well, today he came out and started a fight, according to his wife. She came out to find out what's going on. His wife came out to find out what's going on, and he went and got a gun. And he said, put the gun away. This isn't anything you need a gun for.
Right.
And then he shot him, I guess, 3 times from what she said. And she's the one that called 911. And she said, I don't know where his wife went. Is she still there? And I'm like,
She saw the whole thing?
She did. Yeah, and she called 911. Yeah. So I thought, and she goes, when she was talking to somebody on the phone, she goes, I think his name is Mark.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you don't even know your neighbor's name, and he killed your husband for cutting down a dead tree?
Very odd.
Yeah, she said that she thinks that he came back from the military and was really not right in head. And I'm like, well, you would have thought his own wife would have said, put the gun down. You know?
Yep. You would have thought.
Crazy. This, I talked to, shoot, who did I talk to? The one that does the Explorers program, and that's terrible, I can't think of his name.
Okay.
I want to say Tom Canada, is not Tom. But anyway, oh, that's mine. This is yours.
All right, thank you.
She says to me, his mom isn't going to make it through this. His mom lost a son to brain cancer 7 years ago,
Yeah,
and this is her only other son, and there's nothing wrong with him.
So this is all of her contact information.
So that's the mother-in-law she lived with her. And I said, you know, you're through enough today. I think the police will notify her if you don't want to.
Yeah, they would.
And it may be better that way. And she said, oh, that would be wonderful if you did that. I'm like, you don't need to be calling your mother-in-law, who's an old lady living in Butler County by herself, and she's got nobody with her.
No.
You know. I can't imagine seeing somebody pull a gun on her husband who's cut down a tree and killing her.
Yep, start off innocent. Innocent action. So all this started over cutting down a tree? Do you know the neighbor at all?
I mean, they've had problems before, and they've called the cops on them before.
Yeah.
Not too long ago, maybe 2 or 3 months ago. And we heard that he just got out of prison and everything, and he didn't have his mind. But other than that,
Has he ever made any kind of gestures or threats towards you when you're here?
no. But my mom, he's pointed a bow and arrow at my mom before, and I think that's when they called the cops.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I don't think he, not at all.
How long have they lived there?
He just moved in. He just got out of prison.
So it's recent, like 3 months ago. That's how it started when he moved here.
Yeah.
Wow. I heard he's got a wife too. Have you guys seen her at all?
No.
I wonder if she's okay in the house.
I've never seen him have a wife. I've never seen anybody besides him.
Eventually, Chrissy Block comes back outside and answers the deputy's questions.
Does anybody talk to that coward neighbor over there?
Which one?
They said they couldn't find her. She was right there when it happened.
Okay, so I guess I got lost in translation. That's what I was assuming it was his wife. So a female lives in the house?
Yeah.
And he lives in the white garage.
Yeah,
So as far as I know,
he harasses her. She came outside and said, "I'm terrified of this guy. He's got a gun."
okay.
So that's why my
that was
husband
today too?
Yeah, that's why my husband went over there. Because we all heard the gunshot, and she walked outside like freaking out.
Well, I know they were trying to preserve the crime scene as much as possible before the detectives got here. So I know that regardless, by the end of all this, she'll be talked to. So.
She was right there.
Did she leave?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
What kind of car did she
fell.
drive?
Right when my husband got shot, I fell on the ground.
Yeah.
And then he took off and started calling 911 and ran inside.
Did he run off anywhere when it happened?
Yeah, he took off that way, and then
So he could ditch the gun down the way.
I came inside and called 911, and I peeked out my back door, and he was shaking my husband. He came back.
Yeah. So he ran off down the street or down to the field?
I don't know.
Just that direction?
That direction.
Okay. Because I know they have not recovered a gun yet. So
they haven't recovered a gun.
That's what I'm trying to figure out where he could have ditched the gun.
He took off that way.
Okay.
It was a handgun.
Okay. Was it black, silver?
Black.
Okay.
All black. I mean, I was terrified he was going to shoot me too.
Yeah. I mean, who knows what's going through his mind?
I know. He unloaded the clip on my husband. I heard just pop, 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 pop.
Just over and over again.
Why over nothing? He didn't even put his hands on him. Because he was afraid.
A lot of things in life will never make sense. I know this.
Should have just knocked his ass out.
I know this. You probably already heard this. You might have heard it before, but this is not your fault.
This what?
It's not your fault. I know at some point you're going to feel like it might be. It's not. You could have done something different. Ultimately, two men made the decision to do whatever happened.
Cole Hornsby was charged with murder, felonious assault, and tampering with evidence in Ted Block's death. The tampering with evidence charge related to Hornsby ditching the gun. Hornsby tried to claim self-defense and was found guilty at trial. He was sentenced to 24 years to life in prison and is appealing. Ted Block's family will never be the same. After the sentencing, the county prosecutors said that Ted Block should still be alive today. And that's it for this episode of Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. Thanks so much for being with me. Remember, you can always watch us on YouTube, and you can also watch and listen to us on Spotify. I'll see you back here next time.